Welcome back, CAD users. We have two more parts to make before we can put together the assembly on our linear bearing assembly. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into my file and create a new part. This one we can rename. This is going to be called a pillow block. Sounds soft. It is not, it's not soft. We're going to look into the front plane and create a sketch. I'm going to start with a corner rectangle that kind of comes on to this surface. And I'm going to make these cutouts on one side here, and I'm going to make a circle. I don't want it to be right off the center. I want it to be on the center line, but not all the way. And so this is kind of the basis that we're going to start with before we do some dimensioning. So let's dimension this. This is going to be 2.5. The entire top to bottom is going to be 1.25. From here to there, it's going to be 1.06. Which means this should be 0.19. We're going to dimension from the top of this to the center of the circle. We're going to make that 1.06. Let's dimension, we'll keep dimensioning here. This line here is going to be 0.5 from the center of the circle. Should be 1.25, which is fine. Let's see. This diameter here is going to be 0.75. And then we're also going to mirror this line and this line over our edge. We're going to make sure everything lines up, we're going to make sure that dimensions from here to here is 1.25. And that should center everything. We can start trimming our part out now. We're going to get rid of those two lines. We're going to kind of cut that out. And we'll cut that out with the red kiss of death here. I'm going to get rid of, escape out of this, that one dimension there. And we are fully constrained, so now I'm going to go ahead and extrude back. This is going to go back 2 inches. So let's take a look at this from the top. This is the top of our pillow block. We do need to put some holes in here. So I'm going to look at the top, draw a sketch. We can make a couple of circles. Going to be 0.22 for this one. And these are going to be much like the other one, 0.25 from this edge and from this edge. And from here to there, we'll make it 1.5. And then I want to make these two circles lie on a vertical line. So I'm going to add that relationship. And then I'll go ahead and mirror. Now I can do an extrude through. So we're going to do a remove through all. There is the top of our pillow block. You have one more small part to make, and then you'll be ready for your assembly.